So, hi everybody. We just had FOMC. Kind of a big moment. A moment everyone was waiting for. We were waiting to see whether they were going to continue the pivot, whether the banking sector collapse was going to make them even more dovish, or if inflation data was still running too high for their liking and they were going to tighten up and maybe go even stronger. Well, they were kind of neutral. J. Powell did change language from ongoing rate increases to potential tightening of fiscal policy. So, not saying that there's going to be a lot more rate hikes, but that there might still be a need for one or two. So that was very interesting, and that was a interesting change of language. He also noted that the failure at the banks could see a tightening in credit, and that is potentially equivalent to a rate hike or more, but the data is too uncertain to really kind of confirm that hypothesis. And that was also weighing in on their decision. So that is good news for the market. But other things weren't so good. We got the standard quarter basis point. That was expected. However, in his speech and how he answered questions, he wasn't so dovish as everyone would like. He indicated that there would be no rate cuts this year, and the market was expecting rate cuts in July. And so the market isn't liking that. He specifically stated that in the base case, there are no rate cuts this year, and then walked off the stage. So that's a pretty clear sign of what's to come. He also indicated that predictions for the terminal rate from FOMC members was a median of 5.1%, which would require at least one more rate hike to achieve. However, when looking at the dot plot, you could see that a majority of FOMC participants were at that layer or above. Not very many were below. Some predicting as high as 6%. So definitely no indication that rate cuts are coming anytime soon. But maybe we see pausing. Maybe we get another rate hike in May. Maybe we don't. But maybe we get one in June. We'll see. He said that inflation data is still too strong to consider any loosening of policy. And had the situation with the banks not happened, they could have continued at a 50 basis point or stronger. And so this is not what the market wanted to hear. It definitely does not suggest Bitcoin to $1 million in 90 days. So keep that in mind as you trade in the next few days and in the coming weeks. FOMC definitely threw a little bit of wrench in Bitcoin bulls' plans. But that's not the only thing threw a little bit of a wrench in a potential green day today. Justin Sun has been sued by the SEC. Justin Sun is a prominent member in the crypto community. He helped found Huobi Exchange and the Tron network. He's also involved in Tether. So, big player. And he's been sued for fraud and market manipulation. Does that have to do with his always rumored actions of inflating transaction data on Tron? Does it have to do with his recent liquidity support to Huobi Exchange? We don't know. And what does that mean for the Tron network and Huobi Exchange? Are they going to shut down? Are they going to face fines? What's going to happen? Nobody really knows, and that's going to have a damper on this market. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.